Approaching the saluting base, the tableau of Jammu and Kashmir unfolding like a silken tapestry, presenting the region as a seamless cultural continuum where craftsmanship and performance merge into a single luminous narrative. Handicrafts and folk dances of Jammu and Kashmir going past the saluting base. Perfect depiction of culture. Following the tableau from Jammu and Kashmir, we have the tableau from the Ministry of Home Affairs, NDMA and NDRF, focusing on the Bhuj earthquake, 25 years of